welcome to the Backwoods.
You know there's been turkeys all around here. We had them all around us yesterday. So we can't get one in a gobble. We're just going to sit down a little while and see what we can make happen.
He was fixing to go. He was fixing to go, but he ain't going nowhere no more. He done saw something wasn't right.
You definitely me, son. Well, I'm sorry, but I ain't.
I know you ain't sorry. That's a good bird, dude.
Yeah, I don't know if it was Jake's back here gobbling or what.
I don't know. That elephant got off you, didn't it?
I felt like I just had a monkey crawl off my back.
You had a perfect little hole that I cut for you a while ago. You're welcome.
Did you see him good?
Oh yeah, I had him in the camera. I mean, it was just what it was, you know.
I was hoping he was going to strut over a decoy and all, but
he didn't.
Whenever he said,
yeah,
fold it. It's like, all right, you're fixing to have to die.
He did a little putt, and I thought that was it. That's what people don't realize. They tuck them wings like that. You better get ready to do something. Let them go.
Put one foot in front of the other.
Well, we almost did it before lunch, but we just a hair over.
I ain't ate lunch yet.
Good point. At our house, it's past lunch. Here it ain't past lunch.
I ain't eat lunch, so it ain't even lunchtime yet, and we got 2 turkeys dead. Well, we found a notebook in the middle of the woods yesterday. Old yellow pad with an ink pen on it. And a turkey feather right by it. So it's obvious these boogers been taking notes. Last year we come out here, nobody, so far as we know, had ever really turkey hunted out here. And they apparently took notes and remembered whenever we came back.
So basically, we tore them up last year, and they were trying to be ready, but they couldn't handle it. The pressure was more than he could bear.
They gave us a little time. We figured them out. See what we got here. Got a good beard on him. Probably. I'm gonna call him 9.5, maybe 10 inches. Good thick beard though. How hooks has it got up here? Good sharp spurs. I'm gonna say right at an inch, maybe a shade longer. But this joker come in here, and we had a decoy set up out here, and thought he was gonna go over there and put on a show, but undoubtedly he looked across there and saw something he didn't like, and we had to make it a little short video clip. These old Rios sure are fun to hunt. Out here with Carl and Trisha Poole, just having a good time, living the backwoods life.